While searching for the best tonneau cover for Nissan Titan, you need to know what features it offers. Most of the time, people don't pay close attention to what they're buying, forcing them to return the product. Are you looking for a tonneau cover that has a Trifold mechanism? Does the Trifold mechanism block your line of sight while driving and looking through your rear window? What tonneau covers protect your luggage from the rain? Stick around to discover the best tonneau cover for Nissan Titan. I guarantee that you will find a perfect Nissan Titan tonneau cover for you somewhere on this video. At the first position of our list we have Tyger Auto 3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Having plenty of suitcases and fitting them all in your Nissan Titan is problematic if you don't have a tonneau cover on the back. Luckily for you, I found an exciting truck bed tonneau cover several weeks before browsing the internet. This tonneau has hundreds of different reviews, and after reading some of them, I just had to give this tonneau a shot. Nearly every Nissan Titan bed cover requires you to use a drill while installing the tonneau, but not this one. You can forget about using your tools in the garage, as the package is fully equipped with all of the stuff that will be necessary for you to mount it. Moving on to the next at number 2 with TruXedo TruXport Soft Rollup Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Most people nowadays have several family members, and we all know how troublesome that can get when you plan to go on a vacation. Storing your belongings was never an easier job in your Nissan Titan if you own this tonneau. If you plan to travel somewhere with lots of luggage, you can count on this tonneau to protect it efficiently. Oddly enough, the price isn't as high as you might think regarding all of the stuff that it offers. Nissan Titan bed covers that have this roll-up system tend to be unreliable when discussing their durability. I was surprised when I discovered that TruXedo TruXport repels most of the water that tends to pile up on the surface of the tonneau. The number 3 position is held by BAKFlip Bank's 4 hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover. We can all agree that you always worry if the tonneau will withstand the weight efficiently when you need to put something on it. Luckily for you, if you consider the BAKFlip Bank's 4, you won't think about that ever again. My day-to-day job required me to buy a tonneau that can bear a certain amount of load, and I was surprised when I found out that this one can. As long as you evenly distribute up to 400 lbs of weight on top of this tonneau, nothing terrible will happen. Your tools, luggage, various objects, or anything else you can safely put on the tonneau as it will withstand the load. Next at number 4 we have Undercover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Last year, I bought a Nissan Titan, and I was eager to cover the trunk as fast as possible with a tonneau. While searching the internet, I stumbled upon this tonneau cover, and shortly after, I decided to give it a shot and order it. I wanted a Nissan Titan tonneau cover that would allow me to have complete access to the bed, as there's numerous stuff that I need to put in it every day. I was somewhat surprised when the tonneau came, and I started to mount it on my Nissan Titan. With a hard trifold mechanism that allows you to effortlessly access all parts of the bed, you won't have any issues regarding that in the future. On that note, if you completely open a tonneau, make sure that you don't need to drive. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Lund Genesis Trifold Soft Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Whenever you choose to buy a Nissan Titan truck bed cover, it's imperative that you choose one that'll work best for your job. We can all agree that that isn't particularly easy to do. If you don't know where to search anymore, I would like to recommend this tonneau cover. If you're like me, a guy who needs to be on a constant move, a tonneau cover is necessary for your day-to-day life. I don't need to worry about the weather conditions. As soon as it starts to rain in my town, I simply cover my belongings with the tonneau and it will remain dry. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.